It's a beautiful day here in Santa Clara. Hi, I'm Vinicius Brazil, the Santa Clara real estate guy with the Brazil Group and Keller Williams, and I'm excited to present to you my latest listing here in Santa Clara with Cupertino Schools. Welcome to 2931 Mauricia Avenue. 2931 Mauricia Avenue is a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that has been stylishly updated. The home boasts a large formal living room, separate dining area, an open kitchen, and family room. The bright kitchen is open to the family room and overlooks your beautiful backyard. It features stylish quartz countertops and backsplash, a large stainless steel undermount sink, stainless steel appliances, and a roomy pantry for additional storage. The master bedroom is spacious with its own private sliding door to your back deck. It has 2 separate closets and spacious vanity area, as well as private shower stall and commode. The guest bedrooms are all well proportioned with their own sliding door closets. There's so much to love about this home, but my absolute favorite part of this home is this amazing backyard with a beautiful deck and large pool. I can just imagine enjoying hot summer days here, entertaining and spending time with the kids. Additional features of this home include a large 2-car garage, dual pane windows, LVP flooring throughout, central heating and AC, as well as a beautifully professionally landscaped front yard with pavered walkways and driveway. And of course, sought after Cupertino Schools. This home is just minutes away from major roadways and shopping, also conveniently located to Apple and Nvidia headquarters, and don't forget Santa Clara low-cost utilities and reliable energy from its city-owned power company, Silicon Valley Power. Thanks for joining me on this video tour of 2931 Mauricia Avenue. If you've got any questions about this great property, looking for a floor plan, additional photos, or 3D Matterport tour, please visit our property website. I'll be sure to post the link down below. To schedule a private showing, contact us directly. And until next time, this is Vinicius Brazil with the Brazil Group and Keller Williams.